Okay, well, just an update on this trade here. Looking rather good now as we've gone across the barrier and now we're on the right side. So I'm feeling good about this. Okay, so I'm going to go out shopping soon and have some lunch with some friends. And being below this white line does make me feel good. I know it could sort of go back quite quickly. But at least this it's on a 15-minute, and that's a definite down on the nice red candle there. 15 minutes looking good, and we've got some continued selling pressure there. So if you want to look at it on the hourly, it would be like this. So remember, the white horizontal line here is the line we've got to be below, and we just need it to be. You can drive yourself crazy going on the 1-minute chart there. But this is looking promising. And on the trade itself, there it is. So 0.787226 is the entry point. And we're under it now and going quite nicely. So we've still got just under 6 hours to go, as you can see here. And I must say that I feel much better now that we're on the right side of it. And some solid red candles going down there, which means that the price is moving in the right direction for us. Okay, so in fact, it's moving very nicely. Again, this is the Asian session, so not huge volume, but I'd like to see a pullback, and I think London will look at it as a pullback as well. And we are going to be out before the big US data just here. So don't be in a big announcement. Now these are red, right? It's 2 red flags for the CPI month on month. Well, month on month is important but not huge, but the core CPI month on month, which is what the Fed will be looking at, and a lot of economists and analysts, that will be a big number. If it's Q on Q, it would be huge. That's quarter on quarter, but it's month on month. But nevertheless, that gives you indications about future inflation, and that's important for a currency. So looking good there, and looking very promising over here. So I'm going to stop the video now and say I'll update you a little bit more later on. So wherever you are in the world today, I hope you're fitting well. Be good to each other. Be good to yourself. And have a good day. I mean, all the best. Bye.